Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon gift card expiry date. This is especially useful if you want to know whether your gift card balance has an expiration or if you're dealing with promotional credits that might expire. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings to view gift card details. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From that list, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage all your account settings and preferences. Once you're on the account page, look for the section labeled Gift Cards and click on it. This is where Amazon stores all information related to your gift card balance, including any promotional credits or balances you may have added over time. Now, I don't currently have any gift card balance on my account, but I'll walk you through what you would see if you did. In the upper left panel of the gift cards page, you'll find your total gift card balance displayed. Right next to or below that balance, if applicable, you'll also see an expiry date listed. Here's an important note to keep in mind. Amazon gift cards purchased directly from Amazon usually do not have an expiry date in most countries, including the United States and many other regions. However, some promotional credits or region-specific gift cards can behave differently and may come with expiration dates. To double-check the terms of your specific gift card, refer back to the email or card packaging it came with. If it was a digital gift card, look at the original email you received. If it was a physical card, check the back of the card or any accompanying materials. Most standard Amazon gift cards will say no expiration, but promotional credits or special offers may list a validity period. And that's it. You now know how to check your Amazon gift card expiry date and understand the difference between standard gift cards and promotional credits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.